Every single day, I meet brilliant people, just like yourself, very smart, professional people. The world will never know them. Why? Because they don't know how to package their own brand for success.
Haydee just brings an amazing energy. She brings a message that is really powerful. It's really current.
There are patterns in successful people. There are patterns of success. We need to start paying attention to them.
What an amazing blend of both the details that go into marketing yourself and branding yourself well, and meshing that in beautifully with the power of trust and the power of truly becoming a great leader.
You need to elevate your online brand. Why? Because today people are no longer just doing business through word of mouth, they're doing business through word of mouth. So when last did you Google you? We're going to Google your picture and we are going to crit it and see what is going wrong. Who's excited? And this is one of my favorites. I call it the breakup picture.
Took away a lot of new LinkedIn ideas that I will implement once I get back to the office today.
Emotions are contagious, would you agree? So with what emotions are you infecting other people when you are meeting them?
She did a phenomenal job, got us up and energized and moving around and talking. I think she did a good job of connecting with people.
It was full of energy, very enlightening, and she's very encouraging. It made me feel like I can go out and do it.
Can I show you a demonstration?
You need to exert that energy. When you go into the office, you need to be that energy that gives someone else hope and to empower them. And I love that.
It's not always what you say, it's how you say it and how you're packaged.
She's really, really good at articulating how to portray your own self-image and professionalism.
Use this as a security blanket. All right, and you walk in and you go, hi, hi. So people often ask me, was it hard for you to leave a country at the age of 48 and start from scratch? What do you think?
Professional.
Super energetic.
Knowledgeable.
Brilliant.
Encouraging.
Energy.
Exuberant?
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Approachable and straightforward.
I cannot wait to get into this book. I want to be that energy. I want to be that empowerment.
Growth and comfort do not coexist. For you to be able to grow, you have to get uncomfortable.
Your energy is contagious. What do you walk in with? That creates impression, and frankly, impressions impact the bottom line.
On the 5th day of my sugar detox, at around 2:30, it came to an abrupt end.
I love the interaction with the audiences. When she speaks, she keeps you engaged all the way.
On your desk is this box, and then there's this box. Which one do you want to unwrap first? Why? Because there's a promise of an experience in there. There's an expectation of something of high value, of high quality. Your brand is your packaging.